This project was an interesting one. Jarko was chosen to help build a new school in Sioux City, Iowa. It wasn't just any school, though. This one would replace the 120-year-old elementary school far from the families it served in an inner-city neighborhood. According to the superintendent of schools, 87% of the kids in the neighborhood qualify for free or reduced-price lunches. Not only would the new school feature a full-size gym, large multi-purpose room, and air conditioning, it would offer an entire community a modern, welcoming place to hold a variety of activities, from health fairs to adult education close to home. Jarko started this project in October 2005, working with the general contractor L&L Builders. Snow and bitter cold slowed things down in November and December, but a warm January put the team back ahead of schedule. Still, it was not an easy task. The numerous angled and curved walls and soffits, multi-layer and sloped acoustical ceilings at 8 different acoustical ceiling types made this project a challenge, even for its most experienced journeymen. The eaves was installed in the cold winter months and was located on walls above the main roof. Jarko also installed and finished 3 unique interior plaster glass pencil column covers. In a story full of good tidings, perhaps the best news of all was that the project was completed in time for the children to start the school year in their new classrooms.